Hi girls and boys. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own deep sea diver. For this experiment, all you need is a plastic bottle filled with water, a pen with a pen cap, some modeling clay, and it's also fun to have some paper clips. To do the experiment, the first thing you need to do is make your diver. So you take the pen cap and some of the modeling clay, and you take a small piece off and you put it on the top of the cap like this, because there are little holes in the top of the cap and you got to fill those up. Then you take another piece of modeling clay and you round it up into a ball like this, and you stick it on the other end. And then for fun, I took a cut end of a paper clip and I'm sticking it in like this. Acts like a little hook. And there's your deep sea diver. Now we're ready to put it into our diving chamber, which is the plastic bottle filled with water. I made up one of these earlier today in my lab. Here it is. So you can see the diver is in the diving chamber and it's floating. So watch what happens when I gently push onto the plastic bottle. Look at that, the diver is going down, it's diving. And then when I release the sides of the bottle, it goes back up. So what's going on? Well, when I gently push onto the sides of the bottle, what happens is water goes up into the diving cap, up into the pen cap. And that makes the pen cap heavier. And so it drops down to the bottom. And then when I release the side of the bottle, the water comes out of the pen cap and basically the diver goes up to the top. You know, this is the same principle that submarines use to dive. Inside of a submarine are these big ballast tanks. And when the submarine's up on top of the ocean, the ballast tanks are filled with air. But when they want to go down and dive, they push the air out and replace it with seawater. And that causes the ballast tanks to get heavier and the submarine sinks down to the bottom of the ocean. And then when they want to go back to the top, basically they push the seawater out and replace it with air, the submarine becomes lighter, and it goes back up to the surface. Boys and girls, this is a real fun experiment you can do at home. And if you want to learn more about science, go to our Abracadabra website. And remember, it looks like magic, but it's science.